Great students, welcome. In this video, we will learn about the world major earthquake belts. Most earthquakes occur along relatively narrow belts that coincide with the plate boundaries, but some earthquakes also occurred away from the plate boundaries. They have occurred within the continent or the oceanic plate. Let's see the legend of this map. Stars, it is major earthquakes, line like this, a straight line, plate boundaries, arrow mark, direction of plate movement, grey color, light grey, it is oceanic ridges, dark grey, it is oceanic trenches. The depth of the ocean will be more in the trenches, more than the height of the Mount Peak, that is Mount Everest. Okay, one example we can take. So, the depth of the trenches will be more than the height of the Mount Everest. Star, major earthquakes, straight line, plate boundaries, arrow mark, direction of plate movement, light grey, oceanic ridges, dark grey, oceanic trenches. Dear students, we see the star symbols here. So this is the major earthquake regions. We can see the earthquake occurs in the star portion. Already in the previous class we studied about the volcanoes. Okay, so we can see this is the region where earthquake takes place, and we see here. See the star symbols here. In all the continents you will be having the star symbols where the earthquake takes place. And what else you are going to learn? Now you are going to see the plate boundary, that is straight line. This is the straight lines. Okay, this is the plate boundaries. And you see here, it is the plate boundaries. You see the lines here. Okay. So you see the line here, it is the plate boundaries, and you can see the arrow marks. This arrow mark shows the direction of the plate movement. So this side the arrow mark is showing, so the plate moves towards the North America. This side it moves towards the northern hemisphere, to the North Pole. We can see here towards the west, we see it's moving. You can see the arrow marks. So the plates are moving. Now we can see here in the Africa, this side we see the arrow marks. The plates are moving towards the South Africa. So we can see the arrow marks towards the South Africa, and we see here also the arrow marks in between. That means the movements are towards the Asia. We can see here like this, we can keep it in mind. Towards the Africa and towards the Asia, like this we can keep it in your mind, it will be easy. And here you see towards the Asia in the Pacific Ocean. So the movements also we can see in the Australia, it moves towards the, you can see here the equator. Okay, so that you will know which side the direction of the plate moves. And we can see here CARICOM Pacific Belt, the ring of fire we can say. We can see here the CARICOM Pacific Belt. Here also CARICOM Pacific Belt we can see here. And likewise we can see here also CARICOM Pacific Belt. Here also we can see here CARICOM Pacific Belt. That is a ring of fire. Dear students, here is the worksheet that we are going to locate the major earthquake belts. Okay, what are we going to locate? We will locate on the outline map of the world, we will locate CARICOM Pacific Belt, Pacific Atlantic Ridge, Indian Ocean Ridge, the Great Rift Valley, Child Ridge, Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So we are going to locate this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. Now let's see again where is the CARICOM Pacific Belt. Here is the CARICOM Pacific Belt. Here you have to mark, and here you have to mark CARICOM Pacific Belt, and here you can mark CARICOM Pacific Belt. So in 3 places we will mark 1, 2, 3. Next question, Pacific Atlantic Ridge. Where is the Pacific Atlantic Ridge? Pacific Antarctic Ridge is located here. We can see here Pacific Atlantic Ridge. We can see here Pacific Antarctic Ridge. So we must mention here. Next, Child Ridge. We can see here CHILD, Child Ridge. And then we can see here Mid-Atlantic Ridge. We can see here Mid-Atlantic Ridge, this place. Mid-Atlantic Ridge, Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So these 2 places you can locate the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Then we can see the Indian Ocean Ridge. Where we can see here is the Indian Ocean Ridge. We will locate here Indian Ocean Ridge. We can locate here. Then we are supposed to locate Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Mid-Atlantic Ridge you can locate here. We can locate here the Great Rift Valley. Here in Africa we can locate here. This place where the equator passes, that place we can locate the Great Rift Valley. Have a glance of the questions, the places what you are going to locate on your map. This should be marked in separate map. What are you going to locate? We are going to locate CARICOM Pacific Belt here, and we can see here CARICOM Pacific. Okay, you can see here CARICOM Pacific Ridge also you can see here. Child Ridge, Pacific Antarctic Ridge. Then you can see here Mid-Atlantic Ridge, Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So you have to mark like this, and you have to give star symbols like this. Star symbols if you give, it is the earthquake region. Okay, next we can see here Atlantic Ocean Ridge, Indian Ocean Ridge. Then we can see here the Great Rift Valley. We can see locate here. Then CARICOM Pacific Belt. So CARICOM Pacific Belt is located on both sides of the map. And then we see here CARICOM Pacific Ridge, we see here Child Ridge. Then Pacific Antarctic Ridge, Indian Ocean Ridge, the Great Valley Rift, the Great Rift Valley, CARICOM Pacific Belt. So we can locate like this. Have a glance, children. Draw the legend appropriately for this map. Thank you, children.